Today I will show how to install MySQL server. Simply go to official website and choose according to your Mac version. Uh, my Mac version is 13 and Ventura OS system. You can check by clicking on system setting, then general and about. Here is Mac OS Ventura and version 13.5. So if you want to choose another MySQL, then you can select by above, and you can download uh, MySQL for all Mac OS version, but I will download for my Ventura OS. So select OS version from drop down and choose ARM. If your OS is Intel based, then go to x86, and if your chipset is M1 and M2, then go to ARM 64-bit, and you can download the DMG archive. So first which I download, this is for all OS version in Mac, and second one is for my specific Mac OS Ventura for M1 chip. So I will download for only DMG ARM, which I download second one. After finishing the download, just you need to click on the app, on the file which you have to download, which you downloaded. According to net speed downloaded, my file is downloaded. So double click, then double click on this MySQL macOS arm.pkg file, then simple process, go to next, and they are asking for some permission, like this installer is trying to install new software. Give your password, Mac password. You can choose use strong encryption, first one. They ask for MySQL password, so give your password which you need to open when you start your MySQL. Again they are asking for Mac password. At last, close your installation process. And if you want to check where is my MySQL downloaded, then you can simply go to Mac Apple icon, then system, and last MySQL. Here is your MySQL server is started. You can start and stop from there also. If you check on start MySQL when your computer start up, then when your computer start it initially or automatic start your MySQL. If you want to check after downloading, you need to give path. So here you can check echo dollar caps in caps path path. There is no path available for MySQL. So go to command plus space, or if you're using simple keyboard, then window and spacebar. Types for forward slash usr, then go to my local MySQL. Here MySQL, copy path by right click netcat info. Here is your full path. Simply copy the path name and where you can write this path. So I will show list of all, like you can give path in .z/shrc or z profile. I will give path from in z/shrc. If this folder is not available in your terminal, then simply type touch and then folder file name, and then after I will open by vi. If you insert, then simply type escape and I, then you can write in terminal, and after writing all these things, path equal to dollar braces path, then type colon and give path name, and for save, then again escape key colon wq and exclamation mark, then your file is saved. And if you check your path is overwritten in this file, then you simply first you need to close your terminal, then again open, otherwise you can't see. So I will close and then quit and again open. Yeah, yes, you can check here, your path is here. Now you can log in MySQL by terminal. I give system password, so it not open. You should give to MySQL password which you given while installing.